Welcome to this quick guide on getting started with SlideBazaar's PowerPoint add-in. In this video, I'm going to guide you through installing and getting familiar with our PowerPoint add-in. You can download the add-in by going to slidebazaar.com/PowerPoint add-in. Install the downloaded file, and when it's done, open PowerPoint. Now click on the SlideBazaar button in the ribbon menu. You'll need at least a free account on SlideBazaar to use the add-in. If you have an account, log in using your SlideBazaar credentials or click on Create a SlideBazaar account. After logging into your SlideBazaar account, you'll be able to see different options available, sorted as Library, Objects, Replicator, Insert, Tools, Account, and more. Here's a quick overview of the features available on SlideBazaar's PowerPoint add-in. You can search for and add templates, themes, illustrations, dashboards, and so much more by clicking on these buttons. My Slides allows you to save custom slides and lets you reuse them whenever you need. Smart Shape allows you to quickly duplicate shapes, which you can use to create complex patterns in seconds. Sticky Note and Ratings help during slide reviews. Format Tools gives you a custom sidebar with all the tools you need for a faster presentation design workflow. And finally, Help and Support and Custom Design buttons to get more help or to request custom presentation designs from SlideBazaar. Well, that concludes this short video on getting started with SlideBazaar's PowerPoint add-in. Find the links to other tutorials in the description of this video.